Guys, so today I want to show you how to make these very amazing paper lanterns for Eid. So hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see me doing more Eid tutorials. By the way, I have decided that these 3 days I'm gonna post only Eid tutorials. So if you guys like this decision, please comment down below. And Eid Mubarak to everyone. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, take a rectangular sheet of paper. It has to be big enough so that when you roll it, it can be a nice lantern. Next, what you're gonna do is take any circular object and draw a circle. Well, you have to do this if you're making the moon, because it is Eid special and I want to make a moon and star pattern. So look, first of all, draw out a circle and then again draw another one, but this time you're gonna place it a bit far. Then do it again. So basically, after doing this, you're gonna get your moon. So guys, basically here is this part and this is gonna be the moon. If you want, you can make it a bit more tilted. So you're gonna make the moon out of this part or this part according to your wish. So after that, you're gonna make the stars. So basically make the template. So guys, after you're done drawing the template, you're gonna cut it. You can use any X-Acto knife, scissors or anything you have, but make sure to use something underneath or else your working surface will be ruined. So guys, look, I'm done cutting this pattern out. This already looks nice. You don't have to worry about this though, because we are gonna be using this side. So now what you're gonna do is just glue this part up like this. So you'll have to ensure that none of these sides remain open or else it might tear up. You'll have to properly glue it up. So I'm coming after gluing it up. So guys, after you're done gluing it up, look at this. It turned out very nice. Next, what you're gonna do is just glue it up once again. Put some glue here and place it. Make sure that it doesn't overlap this part. I mean, this part shouldn't go till this part, or else these stars won't be visible when you have lit your lantern. So after this, what you're gonna do is make this top part. This is optional. So for that, you're gonna take an A4 size sheet of paper, and so guys, after you have taken your paper, you're gonna trace the shape of it on your paper. It doesn't have to be exact, just a rough measurement. And it's not even much of a problem if it's a bit smaller. Whatever, after you have made it, you're gonna add 4 tabs on 4 of the sides. Yeah, so look, here are the 4 tabs. Now you're gonna cut it. So after cutting it, you're just gonna fold these tabs up, and after folding them all up, you're just gonna glue it up. So look guys, I'm already done folding it. Now you're gonna take some glue and put it on all these 4 sides like this. After doing that, you're gonna check which is the right side. So this one is. Now gently glue it up together It might take some time, but be patient. Look, my one already fell down. You'll just have to glue it up. Basically, make sure each of these tabs dries properly and then go to the next tab. So guys, look, I'm already done gluing it up. Now let's test it out. Guys, look, this looks so nice. And here is the mosque one. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. Bye.